It's Trinity, your natural stylist here, about to show you how to get your thinning locks looking a lot better. So first you want to start off with some human hair that is kinky. You're going to wrap that hair around the area of the lock that is thinning because that's what you want to repair. You're going to instant lock that hair over the thinning area. So that way it looks nice, neat, and uniform. If you need a detailed video on exactly how to crochet or instant lock, please go to my videos, go to tutorials, and you will see a very, very quick and easy and extremely detailed video on exactly how to instant lock hair. You guys, it takes no time at all. I'm telling you, it's so quick and easy. But here, I'm just going over the areas that need to be crocheted a little bit more. The longer you do it over certain parts of the hair, the more it will look more uniform. And then you're going to palm roll that area of the hair that you just repaired because you want it to look uniform, nice and neat. So that just blends it in and it looks beautiful, that nice, beautiful finish. He actually came in with a few repairs that he needed and he wanted to get a style. And let me tell you, by the time we finish with that style, you cannot tell that he ever had any issues with thinning locks at all in his hair. If you want to stay tuned for the finished product, please continue to watch because it is amazing. Check the description bar for the tutorial on how to crochet, and you guys look at this. I'll link my booking site down below. See you next time.